Hi, I'm Sanyojita. Today I'm making a simple, delicately seasoned pulao loaded with vegetables. This video is specially for those of you who are new to Indian cooking. I can show you videos of all kinds of gravies, dals and starters, but unless I help you with some easy accompaniments, it will be difficult for you to make a complete Indian meal. Most Indian meals are incomplete without a rice or roti. This video of pulao and my tandoori roti video will equip you to make a complete meal for everyday and special occasions. The pulao is mild and complements all kinds of dishes, and the preparation is very easy. The ingredients are readily available: rice, vegetables, and some whole spices, ghee or oil, and salt. Without further ado, let's get started. I've soaked the rice for about 20 minutes. I'm using a 3-quart saucepan. You can also do this in an instant pot. The first step is to temper the whole spices and onions. I'm using ghee, but you can use oil for a vegan version. You can use different kinds of oils depending on the accompaniment. For instance, if you're making a coconut-based gravy like avial, you can use coconut oil. Or for a Bengali fish curry, you may want to use mustard oil, but any oil of your choice is fine. Toss the spices around for 10 to 15 seconds to release their flavors. The onion is also tempered in the oil and is basically more of a flavoring in this case. It must be fried until it is brown. You can also add ginger, garlic and green chilies if you like. I'm not adding any. This looks good. We can add the vegetables now. The rest of the browning of the onions will happen as the vegetables are added. I've prepped the vegetables earlier after I soaked the rice. As you can see, the onions have browned nicely now. Toss the vegetables. I've kept 2 cups of water to boil on the back burner. And add the rice. Some water may go in with the rice. Gently toss the vegetable and rice mixture until all the liquid dries out and the rice grains are opaque. You can increase the flame at this point. For a pulao, the grains of rice should be separate and flavorful. So a long grain rice like Basmati is good. However, you can use any other rice you like. By this time, you should get the aroma of rice and whole spices. There, all the liquid has evaporated and the rice grains are opaque. Add the hot water and let it come to a boil. Reduce the flame to low and cover the pot and leave undisturbed for 15 minutes. If you have not soaked the rice, you may need more. Here, you can see how low the flame is. And I have blocked the vent with some curry leaf stems. I do not want the steam to escape. I want it to be absorbed with the rice and the vegetables. It's been 15 minutes. Time to open the pot. Perfect. The rice is nicely cooked. Gently fluff it up with a fork or a spatula. Let it rest covered for about 5 minutes and then serve it. I'm serving the pulao on a beautiful platter with a garnish of birista and coriander leaves. However, it is light enough for an everyday meal. Serve it with a gravy or a dal, as I have done with this chili chicken. I've served it on a bed of the pulao, like an impromptu biryani. That's all for today. I hope you will be making this pulao often with many of my gravies like this chicken tikka masala. I look forward to your feedback in the comments section below. Do hit the like button and share it with your friends. I'm leaving you with a few glimpses of my upcoming dishes. Thank you for watching.